This ReeceNichols Blue Springs property video is presented by McLain. Great location and move-in ready 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms with hardwood floors, ceramic floors and 2-car garage. The sliding glass door off of the kitchen leads to a large deck, great for entertaining with a large level backyard. Bring your buyers, it won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact McLain at 816-655-6612.